Guys, I'm at HDR's latest masterpiece renovation in Rock Ridge, Oakland, California. Wait till you see what they've done. This kitchen originally was half the size and they've completely blasted it open. When these owners picked HDR, what was the difference? HDR listened to them. It's all about a consultative process. This house is so old and so beautiful, but they wanted to modernize it. So they got the best of both worlds. HDR was able to offer two disciplines, preservation and renovation. All these cabinets weren't off the rack, no. These were all individually custom made. The attention to detail is just phenomenal. Look, subway tiles all the way up to the ceiling. Everything's so seamless. Look at this wolf. It matches beautifully with all the other cabinets, and this insert is just flat. One of the things the owners really wanted was that when they opened the front door, they wanted to see straight through the house into the backyard. Oh. Out. Oh my God! Look at this amazing view and these doors, high impact. Okay, when your guests come through that front door, that line of vision sees this. Amazing. Remember kids, these homes in Rock Ridge are old. This house was originally built in 1916, and back in those days, the kitchens were literally the size of little walk-in closets. For example, this used to be a big wall here. HDR had this genius idea, take it down, let the light through, and the vision go front to back. The original bathroom, when they came here, was literally like almost 3 times the size. So they collapsed it, gave that room over to the kitchen. Genius idea, because it's all about the kitchen. My favorite part about this detail bathroom is that these windows, they look original, but they're brand new. You guys want to see the upstairs? Follow me. If you're one of these people who lives in a small home, which is very common here, and there's only one bathroom, call HDR. They created this bathroom out of nothing. Look at it. It looks original, but it's not. Look at this. It is gorgeous, but it looks seamless or organic to the rest of the house, which I love. They've got great taste, and they know how to put together to make it seem like it was an original product. Originally, this primary bathroom was right here, tiny. So what did they do? They expanded it, added skylights, huge, tall spa shower, and a toilet stall to the left that's separate. Genius. Remember, HDR, renovation, preservation, all in one-stop shop. You can't go wrong.